What's up, Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to tint the windows on the Saab 95 NG, and the NG 95 project is coming along great. So I have just received the mirror caps in carbon fiber from the paint, and they came out amazing. In total there is 9 layers of clear coat on them, and they have been sanded in between. So the finish is really good. It gives that wet look and deep like 3D effect of the fibers, which I really like. So today is time to do the tint, and that is also something that I have been really looking forward to. I have done numerous tint videos before, but I'm gonna take you along the journey and show you every step in this project, whether you like it or not. So this is the tint video. Enjoy! We are gonna start off as we do in all the other videos with tint. This is the rear window, and actually I got it in 2 pieces, which is not preferable. No matter how good you are, you can never get that line in the middle to not be visible. You can get it kind of good, but this is the best way to get it in 1 piece, so they had to send out another piece. And I actually bought this, or ordered this tint film, when I bought the car, so I have been waiting super long time, and this has been just shipping inside of Sweden, so really long time, but finally we got it. So the tint right here, couple of tools, a soap bar, the soapy water, couple of paper towels, the heat gun, and the back window has already been prepared with the soap. So if you don't have any clue on how this is done, please check out earlier videos, or just search heat shrink back window on YouTube and you will find a couple of videos. So I have cleaned the window on the inside and prepped it on the outside, so it's ready to go. And I'm really looking forward to the results because of the black A-pillar on this car. The design is just meant to be tinted, and the windows are quite small or low, so it gives that awesome look to it. So they have a slight tint from factory. In some lighting it could look pretty dark, but when you drive the car it's like the fishbowl life. Often I go with 5% tint, which is like limo tint. This is like a darker factory tint, so I have gone with 20% for the rear windows and 35% for the front windows. Let's start heat shrinking the back window, and then we move on to the other windows. result came out as expected, but I can tell you this. From all the Saabs that I have tinted, and I have tinted Lexus also, which is a pretty solid car, these seals around the windows are super solid. It's hard to get the window tint behind them, but I managed to succeed in some way. And if I hadn't had this squeegee tool, the rear window would have been a nightmare because it's super long. So to squeegee out the bubbles and stuff down here, you need to have this long tool. So good to know if you plan to do this. And as always, there are some water just leaking in at the plotted dot matrix. This is super easy to squeegee out. You just gotta give the car like a day or so, then you can just squeegee it out and you will get a perfect result. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it a lot. Be sure to smash the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can follow the future videos, because if you already follow me on Instagram, you know that I have coilovers laying down here. I also got some new exhaust tips, and the front bumper, the air front bumper, is on paint, and I think by the time this is airing, I think the paint is just curing. So Monday this week the front bumper should be painted. So after that we will do some assembly and then install the new front bumper. So I don't know really in what order we will go. And some of you may wonder, why do you not put on the new wheels, the 20-inch Lorenzer? And I don't know if I have explained that before, but you need a conversion spacer to get them on. And you can't even test fit the wheels because they don't go on the pin bolts. So you really need the way I'm going about this is I'm going to lower the car with the coilovers, then measure on these wheels and try to calculate so I get the correct measurement straight away, so I can order some spacers and then throw on the wheels. So I think it will be like, next up will be coilovers or the front bumper. I don't know, either or. But as I said, I'm not gonna keep you hanging. Really fun that you saw this video. Keep on look for the new videos coming out, and I will see you very soon. Bye.